Market is open. Extremely tight. If it goes back into the Asia zone, I'm going to close my position. Beautiful. 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 Wait for the volume up. Only 47 pips, but on NAS, 47 pips. I'm going to take a look at that. Beautiful. And I'm winning on this gold move. I'm going to move gold to break even just because I want to play. I'm running at $3 a pip. I'm going to let that run. As long as US 30 is running, I want to stay in the gold. I want to just see if that correlation that I'm seeing is working. And right now it is. I saw US 30 take off. I got in with gold.